everybody, this is MHK Apple. I'm here with my good friend, Genio.
What's up, man?
We just got to Ellen Lake. Never been here before, but I saw it on Google Maps last night, so I wanted to come check it out. So let's see if we could catch something today. So my friend thinks I can't catch 10 bluegills. Here's number one.
I did not say that.
Man, this hook's dug in like an Alabama tick. There you go. Sometimes you gotta be jump to it and it'll slide right out. It's good. I think this is 3. I lost count. 4. Yeah. I think this is number 6. Wow, that bait jumped straight up the line. Alright, it's enough bluegills. Time to catch some bass.
There you go.
Hey everybody, so we decided to switch parks. We're at Northside Park now. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more of these videos. Check out my other videos, links in the description. And feel free to leave a comment down below. Hope you all enjoyed. See you all next time. There you go. Dang it. I got it out, folks. No need to worry. I'm gonna edit that out.